How to log into Old Navy credit card app for the first time. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the Old Navy credit card app. This app is not available for all the regions. So if it is not available for you, what you can do is head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, tap on the search bar and search for Old Navy credit card online. In the search result, you'll see the link with Synchrony Bank, so navigate to this website. You will be prompted to this login page of the Synchrony Bank. From here, you can access your Old Navy credit card account. You must have already created your account before. If you have, you can use the same credentials in order to log into your account. So enter your user ID and provide your registered password for this account. Once you do so, you can tap on the secure login option. So that's it. That's how you can easily log into Old Navy credit card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.